What up, peeps? Gonna show you my saddle hunting setup. Now, I want you to consider this. Today, I'm going to show you a lot of equipment that is very, very expensive. And I don't want any of my guys out there that are curious, interested, and want to try saddle hunting to run out and buy this equipment that I have unless I tell you to. Because, like I said, it's very expensive equipment. It's probably some of the best equipment that is on the market today. I want people to try it. If they don't like it, don't buy anything else. Stick it a tree stand or a ladder stand or a blind. Saddle hunting, in my opinion, is either you like it or you don't. It takes practice to learn how to get around the tree, and it's a very odd feeling at first, and it's a very odd feeling for a little while. Even shooting out of a tree, out of a saddle. You know, all these saddle companies, they're going to tell you different. They're going to say, oh, watch videos and, you'll be fine. So remember, guys, most of us that do this are very hands-on guys and want to learn hands-on. It's very difficult to watch somebody on a video in a situation that you're not used to and feel what they're feeling or see what they're feeling. So just remember that. The products that I use are very high dollar, and the products that I want my guys that are interested in and curious about saddle hunting and want to try it, I have an affiliate Amazon account. I'm going to put links below. You can click on, and it's all good equipment that I started with years ago, most of it. Knee pads. There are so many different knee pads. Here's my first set of knee pads, and I highly, highly, highly recommend getting a pair of knee pads. And the reason why I say this is because knee pads, you can go all the way around a tree. When you put a seat pad, a lot of guys will put a seat pad about this big of a seat pad and strap it around the tree. Well, now you're limiting yourself going around a tree and having somewhere you can put your knee up against the tree. And if anybody puts any weight on bare bark and bare knee, it doesn't feel good. So note that. These are Rancho Safaris I bought like eons ago. They're still great. Look, I use these for a long time, and they're great. They're like $25. I think I got them on Amazon. Rancho Safaris. Then I went to a trophy line. These are great, great knee pads. Now, this coming season, I practiced with these a little bit in the yard, and I love them. These are from Eastern Woods Outdoors. They're great knee pads. They're about $35 on sale right now. I think they're half price on sale right now. Tethered has these very, very similar knee pads for like $69. It's ridiculous. So Eastern Woods Outdoors right now, they're on sale, $35. You're going to need something to hang your gear in the tree. So this is a strap, really self-explanatory. It goes around a tree. Spread the hooks all around for your bow, your bag, blah, blah, blah. $10 on Amazon. This here is for your, it's called Sterling Oplux 8mm rope. You could buy this right on Amazon. I'll put a link up. And I highly recommend, these are expensive. They're like $50. These are called Kong ducks. And they're like an ascender where it'll stop. It's like it catches if you fall. And I use these for my lineman's belt and my tether. The only thing with a Kong duck is you need to use an oval carbiner for that. So all on Amazon, all $10, $12, $15 at the most. These oval, what's the names? And all of this stuff you can also buy from my man Dano from Eastern Woods Outdoors. But Amazon also has this for a little bit cheaper. So that's that. My stick. If you know anything about mobile hunting, you know what this is. This is a hunting beast stick. Dan Faltz made this, and it's 20-inch mini stick. They call them Beast Minis. It's a simple stick. Double step, and standoff. bolt in between. These are cable aiders that I buy from Eastern Woods Outdoors. Also, I tried every other company out there, and I just don't like any other ones. I love how they make these. They're soft. They're not real rigid, and the plastic is pretty durable for being that soft. So I love them. You can't beat these. Sticks are about 75 to 80 bucks a piece, I believe. I could be wrong. They might be a little cheaper. I know they went down in price, but last I seen them, and when I bought these were $80 a stick, plus shipping, of course. So, and plus sales tax. So, guys, remember that, man. You got to add in sales tax and all that when you're buying all this shit. So, here's my platform. This is pretty self-explanatory. It's folded up. It's a mini tree stand. You stand on it. You cam lock it, just like a tree stand. I'm not going to unfold it because it's pretty self-explanatory. That's my platform. Highly recommend these. These are Nite Ize, Nite Ize tie downs. I use these for absolutely everything to tie down. You can tie down anything with these. Tie my sticks to my bag. Something has to be tied down. I tie my sticks all together. They don't really need it, but I do. And they are super cheap. I'll leave a link for these in the description also. I'm going to have all these links in the description of this video. So please go check all these products out. They're very, very affordable products to get into saddle hunting. And be sure to check them out. Nite Ize. Here's my setup. This is my saddle. These I am no all gut, as you can see, and no butt. So I need these suspenders. I've tried almost every type of suspender out there for my saddle. Amazon, really good ones. And I found these from a company called BK Outdoors. Brian, can't remember his last name. Great guy. He's got some good products. And it's perfect. You take your saddle. I have a Cruiser XC, extra comfort. Adjustable and steel bridge. I think it's 1/4 inch. I don't know, 5/8 or 1/4 inch. Somewhere in there. Super simple. Use the belly. Bring it up. I have like these belt lips with loops with this. I think it's a Cobra clip, but I don't even use that. So you step through your steel bridge, which is all adjustable. You take this, take it over, clip it. Oh, don't lose it. I mean, you don't lose it. Don't slip it through your fingers. That's it, man. This thing is ready to go. Look. You don't even know you have it on. Honestly, you walk through the woods, you don't even know you have it on in a second. So now this, when you sit down, it has an extra pleat that comes out, as you can see, and then you get up and it folds back. See, it makes it bigger. So it cups your hind end a little more. So on this specific, this is a Cruiser XC. Very expensive saddle. One of the best saddles out there, but the best I've ever had. Love it. I have a dump pouch from Eastern Woods Outdoors, but I used for years military Molly dump pouches that hook right on these million Molly loops. As you can see, I'll list them down below in a link from Amazon. They're like $10 for 2 of them, I think, or something like that. This holds whatever you want it to hold. Just a little drawstring. This actually holds my lineman's belt. And I have a flashlight on here. I have, where are they at? Tent tie downs. And the reason why I have tent tie downs on each hip like right around each hip area, is I put a stick up and I hang a stick on this end and I hang a stick on this side. As I'm going up, I hang a stick, grab a stick, hang it, grab a stick, hang it. One trip up the tree. That is my saddle. Super basic, man. Super easy, super light. This is a Hunter Safety Systems Gear Hoist. I absolutely love this thing. It's really, really nice. They used to have an even better one. I can't find it anywhere. I can't remember what it's called. It's like a Gambrel Game Hoist or something like that. But this one, you pull out this little handle. And what I do, it hooks right back on my saddle at the bottom of the tree. When I'm ready to climb, I take that out. I hook it to my bow, and I start climbing. As I climb, as long as this is good, it's just going like that. As long as I climb. When I get back up to the tree where I want to be, get set up, blah, 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 everything's set up. Here it comes up to you. Very simple. You're not reaching down, like pulling up. You're up here, you're twirling, you have your balance. It's very safe. So, another great small product that you don't realize how good that piece of equipment like this is, how handy it is. So, guys, that's about it, man. That's my system. You know what? This is my bag I've used for, this is going to be my second year. I have used this bag, and I also have a wolf pack that I love for my hybrid setup. That's a Lone Wolf Custom Gear. It's a $300 backpack that Andre D'Acquisto sent me for free to try out. And I love it. It's a great pack, but I did get that pack for free. This pack here is $69 on Amazon. It's an XOP Striker pack. It has 7 compartments, a couple up top. I'm not going to show you, but there's a picture on somewhere where it shows you on my sites and stuff, or on my platforms. My platform sits right in here. On my ropes, I could put my saddle in here and my knee pads. And then I close this up, zipper it all up. And what this is for, my sticks go right on top. Bungee them up, or clip them up. The sticks hang right here from top to bottom. And it is 13.5 pounds. That's it. But the products that I'm going to list in the description are affiliate links of mine that I will put down there so you could check out. So you get into saddle hunting a little bit cheaper. Well, a lot cheaper probably. And then if you like it, stick with it. And then every year, replace an item. Replace the cheaper version of a platform with like one I got, the XOP or the Custom Gear Fix, or you replace the XOP saddle with next year with a cruiser or a tethered, or there's a million saddles, or Latitude, or there's so many saddles out right now. So saddle hunting, just a little bit of ideas to give you guys, whoever's interested in getting saddle hunting. And that's it, man. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate your support. Any questions, please reach out to me somehow. I'm on Facebook. I'm on TikTok. I'm on everything. And as usual, thanks for your support, and subscribe and like to the Buckside. Peace.